Okay, next part of speech that we have is pronoun. So now we are going to talk about pronoun. That what is pronoun? Pronoun actually is a word that is used instead of noun or in the place of noun or the wide repetition of noun. For example, once I say that Edward came here. Edward came here. So on the next time, I wouldn't say his name, that Edward was my student and Edward would come regular. I wouldn't say like it. First of all, I would tell his name that Edward came here, and on a second time, I would be saying that he was my student and he would come regular and he was very energetic and he was very studious. So such kind of things I would have to make. I would use pronoun instead of his name. For example, here I'm giving you the definition first of all. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun or to avoid repetition of noun. I'll give you some example. He, she, it. Now with he, she, it, what actually they mean? Here he we use for boy, she we use for girl, and it we mostly use for things. Then we have they. So they is used for more than one person. And Urdu I would simply say it means wo. It also means wo, and for things we say ye. Got it? And then it also means wo, but actually we use it for more than one person. When we have many people, if they are two, if they are three, if they are four, so in that case I'll be using they. You. You we use for a person to whom we are talking. So it also means tum, and they, you, we, I. It indicates us and Urdu we say hum, and I'm talking about myself. So in Urdu it means me. So keep in mind, if you really want to make a be present sentences on it, so most of the time and not most of the time, always we use is, be, helping verb. And with they, you, we use are. And with I, we use am. So these were pronoun that is used instead of noun. And we use for boy, girl, and modern people. So we would simply use it. In it we have first person, second person, and third person. So first person, pronoun is. So I and we. You would be confused that what does it mean like first person pronoun. So first person pronoun I. For example, I am talking to you about him. I am talking to you. So are we or talking to you? Mean the person we speaking is known as I or we. And that is known as first person pronoun. Then we have second person pronoun. Is you. And third person pronoun is he, she, it, and they. So they are third person pronoun, and where we would need them, actually we would need them in direct and indirect narration and speeches. So I hope you would have got an idea of pronoun. Now we are going to talk about an adjective.